What is going on, guys? My name is Timothy or Timmybug, and in today's video I'm going to show you in less than 2 minutes how to order the GMMK2. So for starters, open up a new Google Chrome tab, type in Glorious PC Gaming, search that, and then click on PCGamingRace.com. From there you'll see the very large plastered across the front of the screen GMMK2 advertisement. Go ahead and click pre-order now. And then if you want the version with the Glorious Links switches and the Glorious, I believe, PPT double shot keycaps, then you would click pre-order here. Or if you're just looking for the bare bones, you click customize your GMMK2. Once you get to this screen, select your color, select the size of keyboard that you want, hit next. Here you can choose whether or not you want the switches. Unless you're just an absolute glorious die-hard fan, I would personally recommend choosing from the GAT switch list or from the KLH switches. KLH Speed Silvers are solid linear switches. I actually thought about going with those, but I decided not to. Go ahead and click next. If you don't have keycaps, you need keycaps. There's some here. I will also leave some Amazon affiliate links in the description down below of some under $30 keycap sets that I personally have used on Amazon and really like. Assuming you don't select keycaps, or even if you do, go ahead and hit next. They'll try to sell you on tools. If you need tools, perfect place to pick them up. Over $100 gets free shipping. Don't choose free shipping, then it's going to cost you about $10 to $15 depending on where you live of shipping. Hit next. Assuming you have everything selected, make sure that this is good and click pre-order now. From there, that'll throw that in your cart, and then you just click checkout. From checkout, you'll enter all of your information, and then you'll hit shipping. You'll go to the shipping page. If you don't have over $100 of stuff in your cart, then it's going to be about $10 to $15 of shipping. Then after that, you enter your payment in, click order, and you should have your board hopefully relatively soon. So anyways, I know that was a really short video, but that is how to order the GMMK2 from Glorious. Thank y'all so much for watching, and until the next time, I will talk to y'all later. Goodbye.